The Erkopress 300 from ERKODENT is a positive pressure thermoforming machine designed to fabricate various dental appliances such as bite splints, fluoride and bleaching trays, sports mouthguards, and orthodontic appliances in as little as 15 minutes. The TPCI model, shown here, is a standalone unit equipped with a high-performance compressor and a reserve compressed air tank on board. Offices or labs with compressed air may prefer the base TP model, which connects to an external compressed air system and includes a pressure regulator. Both units are equipped with a touchless temperature sensor and programmable touch panel display and follow the same operating protocol. This video will provide an introductory look at the Erkopress 300 along with a basic example of the thermoforming process, demonstrating the machine's flexibility and ease of use. First, let's take a quick tour around the machine. Near the back, we'll find the main power port, where the power supply cable is connected. The machine should be unplugged when not in use. On the base TP model, we'll also find the compressed air supply and pressure regulator, complete with water separator. On the front, we have the main switch with a blue LED that will illuminate to indicate when power is active. The touch panel, which displays operational functions and user instructions. Functions can be selected by slightly pressing the finger on the framed fields or by using a blunt plastic tip. The touch panel is protected by a clear, adhesive-free cover. The medium-wave 280-watt infrared heating element. The sensor window, beneath which lies an infrared sensor with a measuring range up to 240 degrees Celsius. The forming bay, where the models are staged and the heated foils are formed. The foil reception fixture, located beneath the heating element for receiving and transferring clamped foils. Primary accessories include the foil reception, a frame for containing the foils. The foil securing ring, used to clamp foils to the foil reception. The form pot on which to build a thermoforming bed. Filling granules with rounded edges made of high-grade magnetic steel used to create the thermoforming bed. A granules brush for shaping the thermoforming bed. A model plate which can be placed atop the form pot as an alternative thermoforming bed. The granules collecting device, an exterior handled carrier used to transport the assembled form pot in and out of the machine and which acts as a reservoir to catch any extraneous granules. A foil trial package including a list of contents. The Erkopress 300 also ships with all necessary documentation, including operating instructions and a thermoforming techniques manual. To power on the Erkopress, press down on the main power switch. A preliminary display message will prompt you to clean the sensor if necessary. To do so, wipe the sensor with a damp cloth. Do not use solvents. The lowermost option on the display's main menu will allow you to select your language, after which the display will return to the main menu. With the display language set to English, select the List of Foils menu option. This will display a selection of pre-programmed heat and timer settings for the various foil types. Additional settings profiles may be programmed. Selecting ERKODENT, in this instance, will display the various ERKODENT foils. Select the foil type you intend to use. Let us select 1 mm. Pre-programmed operation settings for the ERKODENT 1 mm foil are displayed. After confirming the heat and timer settings, select Continue. A summary of operating instructions will be displayed. Clear the forming bay by sliding the foil reception fixture up and to the right into its loading position beneath the heating element. Next, remove the foil securing ring from the foil reception or frame. Now, locate your ERKODENT 1 mm foil or disc. The lettering on the selected foil should face down as it is clamped into the foil reception. Load the securing ring and rotate down to clamp the foil securely. Locate the granules collecting device and place the form pot in the center of the collecting device. Locate the granules and pour them into the form pot. When the pot is filled, embed your model into the bed of granules to the appropriate depth, centering the model. The collecting device will catch any granule overflow. Using the granules brush, clear excess granules from the form pot into the collecting device, leveling the surface of the thermoforming bed. We can also use a model plate instead of granules for the thermoforming bed. In this case, set the model plate on top of the form pot and place your model atop the model plate, positioning it centrally. Transfer the form pot into the machine, sliding the entire assembly forward until it rests against the backstop. Refer to the instructions on the touch panel display. Insert the foil reception or frame into the reception fixture until it clicks into place. The rising temperature is displayed as the foil is heated. Wait for the actual temperature to reach the rated temperature. When it does, the machine will sound a continuous alert, signaling that the foil is ready to be formed. Once again, instructions are displayed. Following these instructions, slide the foil reception fully to the left and press down over the form pot, thermoforming the foil against the model. A cooling countdown is displayed. When the cooling timer reaches 0, removal instructions will be displayed. Following these instructions, remove the form pot assembly from the machine. Unlatch the foil securing ring from the assembly. This allows you to remove the model and thermoformed appliance from the model plate. Returning to our original example, the process is the same. Unlatch the foil securing ring from the assembly. This allows you to remove the model and thermoformed appliance from the bed of granules. To power off the Erkopress, press up on the main power switch. ERKODENT thermoforming systems offer more than 45 years of proven reliability for all thermoformed dental applications, and Glidewell Direct is proud to be the exclusive distributor of these products in the U.S. For more information or to place an order, please contact a Glidewell Direct representative today.